Like one end.
Yeah, no, you're right. I think so.
Welcome back. Who's on the loose? We are hanging out in Baseline, just grabbing a beer for date night.
Baseline, date night. Sounds better in my head.
It is very crowded here today. Usually during the week it's not this bad, but I thought the summer crowds were starting to slow down. They are not. I am a very slow drinker, and we are very close to the ride right now. I'm not gonna chug it, but the last 2 times that we've been here without fail, and I have photos to prove it, I met Chewbacca. Really?
Chewbacca and Ray.
Oh my god, it's Chewbacca. It's leaving me. I just want everybody to know that I currently have a sandwich in my fanny pack because I couldn't finish it and I didn't bring a backpack. Alright, so the wait time for this right now is 70 minutes. So we're gonna time it and see how long it takes us to do the single rider.
Good luck on that mission.
Alright, we're gonna see how long it takes.
I'm gonna say 25 minutes.
I'm gonna say 18 minutes.
And now we wait.
I am very sweaty right now. We're about to go in.
No free foot content.
I think I'm gonna be wrong because we're still waiting on this side of the ride, so I think it's gonna be close to 30 minutes.
All the way in, fill in that space. Everyone will fit.
So, we're almost there. Probably got 8 more minutes.
It was taking a lot longer than we thought.
Don't you? Give me another one.
I just stopped at 2.
Nice.
Red, silver, or orange. They're very simple colors and I expect you to remember them. When that door opens, I will send you to the cell and you will go to the same color you're on now. It should be very easy. Do not make it difficult. I say go again, silver. Aren't you color silver? I just say go again. Orange, you can go first. You didn't move it up.
Program to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Hallway, turn right.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the resistance.
I need eyes on Beck. Line up, step.
So that was cool. We were lucky enough to get the same cart, which is rare to happen with single rider. So he was just sitting behind me. It's starting to get dark. It's like 8:40 right now. I don't know what the move is. The bar closes at 10, but it is a school night. Alright, we're heading back to the car. We're pretty tired, but that was a quick date night. You guys want to go to the doggy park? Okay. Who's coming first? Do you want baby? Ready? Your little head. Your little toes. Collar. Wonderful! Walter, can I have a kiss? Can I have a kiss? Can I have a kiss? Can I have a kiss?
Nice.
Come on.
That's good content. Great.
Good morning, guys. It is Saturday, July 27th. We came to the park real quick this morning for like 30 minutes. We are gonna head to the beach today, so we're trying to tire out these boys a little bit. What's going on over here?
I'm not gonna say street Scooby-Doo. Sounds like Chewbacca.
I know. We are finally wearing our new collars with these teeny bikinis at the park, so these boys will not overheat. They love it. They can run a lot easier.
Hey, everybody. Sit. Sit. Nice. Tastes like dirt.
There's no dancing today. There's no dancing today. Ready? Finish your food. Come on, baby. Finish your food. You can finish Riley's food if he's not going to finish it. Go ahead. Okay, so I just finished the boys' lunchbox. I packed them some chicken and some veggies over here. And then here at the bottom, they have some kibble and Riley's medication. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop the boys off and we're gonna go get ready to go to the beach.
I always forget my keys.
We made it to XO Coffee. This is, in my opinion, the best local coffee shop here in the area. We come here every weekend. It's pretty cool because they have a tattoo shop in here as well. Why is it decorated like Christmas? Is it Christmas in July? They have a lot of plants all around the store that you can purchase, which is pretty cool. We've gotten a couple from here. On the road again. Is that copyright? We are on our way to the beach.
I'm at the beach.
What's the name of this beach?
New Smyrna, North Smyrna, New Smyrna. Okay.
Smyrna.
Smyrna.
He has a couple of friends from his CrossFit gym, and they invited us out there.
One of my members has a family member that has a house out there. I don't know if it's like a private beach, public beach. I don't know. It's a little 80, 90 minute drive, and we could use some sun. She could use some sun.
I got a new haircut yesterday. The layers he did on me, amazing. An exciting thing about this trip is that we're about to hit 80,000 miles.
3, 2, 1. No.
3, 2, 1. Did I do it?
I think so. You got the little pause.
We
I'll
did
count it.
This place is beautiful so far. Made it to the beach.
To the beach.
Everybody's about to start their workout. And I'm about to sit here, drink something cold, and have a good time.
Riley, you in?
Fight back!
I'll be there Monday, and then
We did it.
Look at that. Burn.
Just out there catching some waves.
How many did you catch?
I can't even count that high.
See, that girl is smart. She has a whole inflatable chair. Most beaches here in Florida have this little sea turtle nest, and they put a little thing around it to protect the eggs. Then they just hatch into the ocean. There's a bunch of them. I don't know if you can zoom in from there. There's like one every couple feet. Here's another turtle nest. We just left the beach and we are at Twisty Treats. We're about to get some ice cream for the road.
I'm gonna do a swirl in a cup. What's better, the orange or the banana freeze? Is that the one with the whipped cream on top?
Yes, more people get the orange.
I'll do the orange.
Got my Twisty Treat. I love Twisty Treats, like just the soft serve ice cream. It's so like dense and rich.
So-
He got sunburned. He doesn't believe in sunscreen.
It's a myth.
Look at that. I'm very pimp. What's our number?
80083. Nice.
Good morning, guys. We made it to XO Coffee. We're gonna grab a matcha.
I'm gonna do a quadruple espresso.
I love this coffee shop. I've been coming here so much. He went to the gym this morning. I went to the dog park. Alright. We dropped off the little boys at a relative's house.
Right there.
He got so sunburned. His
Unbelievable.
back is like, if he takes his shirt off right now, it's the same color.
I had a good time.
He's gonna look like a leather jacket when he's home.
That's gonna be me.
Do you think our matcha is ready?
Thank you.
Decided to come to Universal Studios to watch this movie because it's a lot more affordable than Disney Springs. Our annual pass comes with free valet parking. What about my matcha?
Good.
We just went through security. And this is where you would exit if you do valet. This is the general parking, general security. And you're just halfway through here. Welcome to Universal. Everybody's going to the parks. But we're going
to the movie.
to the movies. We were gonna buy the tickets online, but they had an online fee, so we decided.
$10 or something.
Yeah, so we just decided to come here. I checked, and there's like plenty of seats available.
Hello. 2 tickets to the Deadpool 10:30. H5, H4.
So no,
Or
that's
F5,
too far. F5, F4. I think that's good. So we're gonna go walk around CityWalk, finish my matcha. So I went online to buy tickets for Disney Springs, and the price for Disney Springs to go to the theater over there was like $50 for 2 people. So we always come to the movies here in CityWalk. They're playing Blink.
Copyright.
Well, if it's like in the background, well, maybe if I talk on it, it won't. One of these happy days. Oh man, I love this song. Epic Universe. So here they have like a preview center where they sell merch and they show you what Epic Universe is gonna look like.
You didn't do a single spin.
Okay. This is gonna be so cool. I'm really excited for this. So they have an interactive app. It shows you exactly what's gonna be like inside. And you can click on the ride and it'll give you more information on the ride. That's really cool. There's gonna be like 4 main areas. And then there's gonna be the hotel. But then we have Super Nintendo, Dark Universe, Harry Potter World, and I thought we were gonna have more time to walk around CityWalk, but we literally just went to the Epic Universe store and we spent like 20 minutes in there. So we're going back to the movies now. And my matcha's almost done. Look, check.
It's actually impressive.
I did a good job. We always bring jackets when we come to the theater here because they put the AC, it feels like they put it in like 45. So I'm being over dramatic, but still. Who do you think it's gonna win, Deadpool or Wolverine?
Without a drop of nobility in his blood, destiny awaits you.
Spoiler-free review. 4.8 out of 5.
Out of 5? Who reviews out of 5?
Read a book.
Yeah, honestly, that was such a good movie. CityWalk hot dogs. Alright, I'll do whatever you're doing. It's really hot out here today. It says it's 89, but I don't believe it. It feels like it's 100. My hair is getting poofier by the second. Aye.
Nice.
This cheese needs to melt a little. This looks so good though.
Yes. They didn't have any spoons or forks. Do you need that? Oh. Slice.
I'm dropping all my beans.
Good. Eat the wiener from the back.
This place is the best for like a quick in and out. Like you don't have to sit down and do the whole thing. Perfect. Alright, we're walking back to the car. I think we're gonna head to the mall. There's a new store. Alo or Alo? How do you pronounce it? Sweaty boy.
If there's one thing you gotta learn about Florida, it's that you're gonna sweat. It's gonna be a lot.
This place is packed.
Back to the brain.
Yeah, this place is super packed. Word of advice, don't go to the mall on a Sunday at 2 o'clock. Right at the end. It's gonna be very warm. Oh, at the shade. Nice. Alright, we made it to Millennium Mall. It's packed in here, but at least it's very chilly. I believe it's gonna be here to the right. Here it is. We made it, we did it. I'm gonna try not to buy anything, but you never know. I love this one. We just left Alo. I wasn't a huge fan. I feel like everything they had out was winter. Well, not winter. They sold like skirts and stuff, but all the material was super thick. I'm gonna go back to my roots. Oh, did you know that Hollister has a Blink-182 t-shirt? Sellouts. Oh.